She's ready to go wearing the Tar Heel shirt. You're gonna drive Tar Heel Fox. Giving away something pretty cool. In fact, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Yes! There you go! Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are gonna have a lot of fun. We are sticking Tiffany back in the convertible Tar Heel Fox. Engine has recently been replaced, right? If you haven't seen that, you can follow all those previous videos on the channel. But yeah, we're going back actually to the very roots and beginning of the channel, guys. The first video I ever put up on this channel, Tiffany was driving this car with the old engine, and it was like wife versus manual or something like that. And that's how it all started, you know, well more than 2 years ago. We're gonna see though how she likes the new engine because she hasn't even ridden in the car yet. And I figured, why make her ride the very first time? Why not let her drive it? She's getting into these cars more and more. Recently, she even disassembled the 331 that came out of here that's gonna go in the SSP, the coupe, and it's just kind of neat to see her getting into all this. And I wanna get her reactions. And also I kind of wanna see if she's gonna stall or not. Because the very first video I recorded of this, she did stall and I didn't have the camera running. And I think I only caught a little bit of it. And it's kind of funny, right? So of course I've stalled as well, we all stall, but she's not out here right now. So she doesn't know this part, and yeah, we'll see what happens in the video. But first, we do have a couple things we need to do. I did have the car dyno tuned, and you guys might say, well, what's going on here? Well, I'm in the process of putting the computer back, and I dropped the blower motor. If you're not sure why I dropped the blower motor, that is in a video we have covered on the channel before. It's the proper way to remove a computer. In fact, I was just reviewing that to see how to do it because honestly, guys, I kind of forgot and I could not get the computer up in there. Now there's tons of room. Computer's about back. So let me go ahead and wrap that up and then we'll get Tiffany out here, see how she likes the car, get her first reactions to driving the convertible. I'm pretty excited about it. All right, and as you can see, blower motor's back up in there. Computer is tucked away. Apparently my how-tos really do work, or maybe it's Matt from Fox Mustang Restoration's training. Yeah, probably gonna go with that. Matt's a good mentor. But anyway, let's go ahead and get Tiffany out here and let her back Tar Heel out, see what happens. Oh, I do wanna tell you guys one more thing though. We are gonna have a giveaway. Those details on the giveaway are gonna be at the end of the video. So giving away something pretty cool. In fact, I'll give you a quick sneak peek. There you go. Okay, that's all you get to see. See you back at the end of the video on that. Now let's get Tiff out here. All right, guys, I've got Tiffany right here with us. She's ready to go wearing the Tar Heel shirt. I love it because you're gonna drive Tar Heel Fox.
Yes.
So it's very natural. So I already told him everything that was going to happen, including all the fun stuff you don't know about.
Oh no.
So,
wait, what?
well, she does. You do have control over it. She has control over it, right? Yeah. So it might not happen.
Driving.
Exactly.
I better have control over
That's
it.
right. So
you didn't like changes to where suddenly now you can drive from the passenger
No, no. I don't think Matt and I have invented that yet, or that's like a student driver thing. Yeah.
I remember. Oh my gosh, they had that break.
Yeah. I don't have one of those, so. Here you go. I think you got it. And let's see if she can pull the car out. You might have to put the seat forward, potentially.
Yeah. No, I do. Yeah.
All right. Let's see if you can back it out. The keys will help right there.
Seriously?
All right, so far so good. I'm gonna get in and let's see what happens. Yeah, you can't let it, when you're going reverse, you can't let it all the way out. Right. The clutch. So I won't count that one against her, guys. She didn't know.
Well, there's lots of cars coming right now, and it lets out a lot lower than it used to.
Yes, it does.
But that's why I'm stalling right now. Because I had to like let it out really far.
Yeah, the clutch was not good before.
Sorry.
It's fine. Do whatever. You're driving this thing. Let's
no, well, yeah, but like, I'll need to blow up the new engine.
You're not gonna blow this engine up. Gas. Woo!
Oh, goodness.
Clutch all the way in.
I know.
Oh, don't go over any more of those bumps like that. Let's avoid them. I forgot to tell you that. Yeah, I think when you shifted there, you didn't get the clutch all the way in, so.
It's like relearning again, but it's like riding a bike, hopefully.
Yeah. Let's go avoid it. Go to the right.
It's like...
Right.
Oh, and then this bump.
You don't have to go in the third.
No, I'm going to third. No, I keep it in second.
You can do whatever you want, sorry.
Oh, I know.
Let's avoid this bump.
I was wanting to be able to shift again, that's why I was like...
Sure, do whatever you want. You got your license, so if we get pulled over. There you go.
Hey!
riding a bike.
Actually, I need to push my seat up just a touch.
Okay.
That.
You let the clutch off now.
Whoa.
You went the wrong way.
I went the wrong way. I'm not trying to do that. No.
We're not going to go anywhere now, so you take both feet off if you need to.
I do.
There you go.
That's where I was. Okay, I was too far away. I couldn't push the clutch in easily all the way. This is, I know, it's complicated.
So far, I don't think she likes it, but we'll see.
No, we can't go.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
There you go. Good job. I was terrified.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
That doesn't help with my confidence.
I don't even know if we have your face in here anymore because you've changed where you're sitting.
Oh.
So I have no idea if your face is even in it.
Oh, right in my face. There we go.
Guys, I had to move the camera. I don't think I was getting her since she, woo!
What?
We made it. We didn't stall.
Why didn't you?
All right. This is,
Oh, I downshifted.
Oh, okay. All right. I think I have them on some crazy angle right now. Oh, we are hitting the brakes, y'all. We're hitting the brakes. All right. I like that. We're safe. We're hitting the brakes. Brakes were good, don't they?
Nice brakes. Good brakes.
All right. Well, I think we fixed all the frame issues. I think we got her in frame. But yeah, now we're going to highway. Let's see how she does.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh, gosh. Uh-oh. We were in third. I don't know what gear we're in now.
No, we're in third.
We're in third,
I want to
okay.
make sure.
Don't ride that clutch, baby.
I'm not. Oh my goodness.
Right, guys, this is fun so far.
Is this good marital counseling to try to drive your spouse
I don't recommend it for marital
drive
counseling. Maybe I can get her to do some acceleration right here.
after the light?
You take off from the light. Put it in first,
Okay.
release it, and then start going a little bit and then give it some gas.
Release what?
The clutch. I don't know. What do you want to release? Is there something else I need to know that we need to release? What I mean is don't floor it from the beginning. Get going, slowly release the clutch, get going, and then when you get up to speed, give it gas first. Gas.
I did.
Oh, shift. Uh-oh, now she got her game face on. All right. It has been a while, guys. See, more than a year and a half, 2 years. It's been a while.
I don't know. It stresses me out, and I'm gonna get on it and get it back.
Well, just don't wreck us. That's all. Now we're cruising.
Got away from all that start and stop stuff. I hate that. Sightsee driving with manual anxiety driver. Not fun.
You're doing great. You haven't killed us.
If that's the criteria, I do that every day. I didn't learn on a manual.
There you go. That was on a hill too.
That was a hill.
Perfect. Punch to the floor. There you go. Now punch in. There you go. Yes! There you go. All right, Chip. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Nice. That's much better. See, you're getting it now. All right, guys. Actually, we just got the thumbnail, so that's why everything's back down here. But yeah, so we're here. We made it. I really liked how you drove it that last time on the highway. I thought she did good on that part. But so how are you feeling? It's the first time you've driven the car since the engine was done. Yeah. How are you feeling about it right now?
Well, it's always tough for me to gauge because I'm not confident in my manual driving anyway. So I feel like I'm always having to relearn it. But I will say from the time when you had the very hard racing clutch in here and even the way the other clutch was, I think I could get used to this a lot easier. I really think I could. I could start to get a flow. I didn't stall going up that hill at one time in first, so that wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
I think with more practice. I think right now it's driver error and not the car, and I think but it's a very usable car and setup right now that I think I would start to get very confident.
Yeah. Well, the other thing I want to ask you is, how does it feel to be driving this car though? Did you feel cool at all, or were you super focused on, you know, just driving the car?
I'm always just focused on driving the car.
Okay.
And not stalling out and not doing
All
anything
right.
wrong.
So we need more seat time for you.
I just need more seat time.
Okay.
And seat time where we're not keep changing it. Like now we've got it to where we want it. So now I'll be able to like get to know her. She and I have a long history together. Now we need to get fully reacquainted, and I think we'll do much better.
Okay, so are you saying, you're not saying that she's my mistress, right? You're not, and that's why, because we know a guy that has one of those. Joe Lenardi has a mistress, but you're not saying that, right?
No.
Okay.
We're friends.
You're friends? All right. Well, so who do you want to drive back then? Do you want more practice time, or you?
Yes, I need more time.
You do? Okay.
I'm not scared of it. I just still have to work on it.
All right. I was asking because I kind of actually wanted to drive the car since it was out, such a nice day. But you want to drive it? I'll let you drive it.
Yeah, I want to drive it.
Wow. There you go, guys. She must like it. Okay, we're going back in the car, and then we're gonna wrap this up at the house because I do have that giveaway coming for you guys that I told you about. So we're gonna do the giveaway, and you definitely don't want to miss that. Okay, guys, I know I told you that Tiffany was gonna drive it.
Ready.
But we realized we have to go pick our kids up. They're somewhere where we have to go get them right now. I'm just gonna get us home really fast so we can go pick up the kids, switch cars, because you know they're not gonna fit in here very well.
Oh my, and not their backpacks and everything, yeah.
But we definitely need more seat time for you. I think we can arrange that. Here we go. It's different on the passenger side, isn't it?
Yeah, they don't have an OMG handle.
No, you can try grabbing this latch, but that just releases the top. It's like the ejection handle.
It'll be a Bond movie. The ejection seat.
704. Gearhead 704. Guys, actually changing plans. I decided why not pick the kids up in Tarheelfox.
This will be their first
So
time.
I'm picking them up, yeah. So I kind of swindled you out of that driving so I could drive it. I really just wanted to drive it. We made it back safe and sound, as you can see, and we got the kids, and it all worked out. And best part is, guys, we were idling there in the line to pick up the kids for maybe 20, 25 minutes, just sitting there to idle. Did miss a beat. Car did great. So it's running great. Had a little fun with Tiffany today. She really did good. She just needs a little more seat time, but she did good. And she was definitely being a good sport about it, you know, putting her there on like that. I had the best wife ever, as you guys probably know if you're regulars of the channel. But let's go ahead and get into the giveaway. Let me show you guys what we're giving away right here. So these are actually spoilers with the hardware. These are Cerbinator ducktail spoilers for hatchbacks. And I've got some pictures to show you what it looks like, but I've got two here that I am giving away. But anyway, I'm gonna put some pictures up so you guys can see what they look like while I'm talking right now. But here is the giveaway that we are doing. This video is going up on Sunday, December 13th. Matt Serbin, the Cerbinator, he makes all these. He's just decided to give them away, guys, through the channel. It's awesome that he's doing that. I will have his website linked down below, Cerbinator Auto Designs. I will put it up on the screen, also put it down below in the description so you can check it out. It's pretty cool that he's giving these away, and we're giving away two of them. We're giving away two of them, guys. So all you have to do to win, have a 79 to 93 hatchback, and down below, put what year your Foxbody hatchback is. Again, this doesn't work for coupes. It doesn't work for convertibles. It's just for the hatches. And so if you have a hatch, 79 to 93, any hatch, GT or LX, put the year down below. If you do that, I'm gonna be doing a drawing. The drawing is gonna actually happen on December 27th. So you got 2 weeks from the time this video goes up, guys. Video that comes out on the 27th, I will be putting the winner in. I'll put it right in the comments. I will pin a comment to the top. I'll also put it in the video, whoever the winner is, so you can look for that. In addition to that, I'll put the winner out on my social media as well. I have all that down below, but I'm on Instagram, Facebook. I have TikTok, but I don't really use that anymore. But yeah, it'll be out on all of my social media. I'll do a YouTube community post about it. So if you wanna win, and there's gonna be 2 winners, go ahead down below, leave the year of your hatchback, 79 to 93, whatever year you have, put it down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll do the drawing based on that. But anyway, that's kind of it for this one. We had a lot of fun today with Tiffany, and big shout out to Matt Serbin, Cerbinator Auto Designs, for giving away these ducktail spoilers for the hatches. That's just awesome. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.